I'm shooting this, see? It's a Tommy gun, see? Alright, we're gonna go for the door. Yeah. What am I, some kind of gangster?
Okay, we're
Mata on my ass.
Okay, we're teaching you guys how to get the Chicago typewriter the real way.
Yeah.
Don't get pissed off at me now, but it's for the Wii edition, in case you guys want to find out Chicago typewriter for PS2 version. You're gonna have to find it somewhere else, because this is the Wii edition. Wii edition is better. But anyways, how to get it is you have to complete assignment, no, not assignment Ada, separate ways. You gotta complete it all. Once you complete it, you'll be able to get the Chicago typewriter and buy it for $1 million, or PTAS, whatever you want to call it. And you can also be able to start a new game with the special costume 2. Shoot Ashley. And Ashley is invincible. And no, she can't.
She makes an orgasm, see?
And like when the zombies pick her up, they start slowing down really slow.
Where is she? Where's she?
People just slow down really fast. But the worst thing about Ashley is when you're picking her up.
Captain Grace, go away, right, you man.
But when you're catching Ashley, sometimes he can fall on the ground and like it can hurt you.
Snakes, eh? Snakes, eh?
Yeah, so.
Hey, chicken eggs,
So, you finish separate ways, and that's how to get the Chicago typewriter. It's a very, very good weapon. I did separate ways just to get the special costume too. Because like Ashley's invincible and you never have to worry about her. But the thing that's annoying is the choo 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 when she's walking. It's really annoying. Sometimes I have to turn down the volume.
Okay, Shane.
No, we're gonna go get the Magnum. Yeah, so it's a good way.
Yeah, she ain't gotta lift her up, Shane.
Beat the game like how many times? 6 or 7.
Oh yeah, look at the dog, Shane.
Yeah.
A little portobello cheese, Shane. Piggyback, Shane. Oh man, so heavy, Shane.
See.
What do you mean? Come some kind of stone table?
Yeah. Yeah. If you go in here, you have to go with Ashley, or let's say with the help from another friend.
Stay in here, Smack.
It's a broken butterfly, and that one is the red herb, and then the other one's like a perfume bottle. That one's its money.
It's a gold, gold like fine glass.
And right over here is a perfume bottle, elegant perfume. And that's all you get. But if you sell it all, it probably runs up to. It probably runs up to $30,000. So that's a good way how to make money. Thanks for watching. That's how to get the Magnum and the Chicago typewriter and the costumes and everything, and how to get them. Thank you. Subscribe, comment, rate, whatever. Yeah, friends if you want. Please. Thank you.